Okay, so it's chest day. We're doing a downward pec fly, getting some of those lower pecs right there. Look at him go. Bad boy. So a mid pec fly is when you just change the position. A downward pec fly starts at the very top. You bring it down. Mid pec fly, you just bring it down a little bit lower, the angle, and then bring it straight in front of you. Works out the pec in different angles. Makes you sweat just like he is. Yeah, pretty good stuff. Last but not least, of all the chest pulleys, we bring it up. Change the angle to the lowest position. Bring it straight up, just like you see him raising at the wrists, targeting the upper pec. Guys, we just picked the kids up from school, and we have a little surprise that we're gonna show them. We thought that we would give them a little surprise, like we told you about.
Now it's time for an afternoon snack. So, Daddy's back here making coffee. And what are these called? Not mac and cheese.
No, these are grilled cheese sandwiches. But we got all these like really gourmet, fresh ingredients from the deli. Kind of an upscale grocery store. And all of these things are really good. Like we got smoked mozzarella, and we have a country French loaf.
It looks really good too.
And so yeah, we're making the kids some good food. Step one,
put a little bit of mayo on. Step two,
have to finish the other side.
Can you give me some hot chocolate?
You want some hot chocolate?
In the middle of March?
I'm just putting layers of cheese on it now. And then I'm going to take the ham and fold it down. And then I'm going to put the top piece like so.
Ooh. Everyone give Dad a big round of applause.
Oh, so many skills.
We literally have been living off caffeine lately, which is not very good, but we've been so busy. It's the only thing keeping us up. We've had like 4 or 5 hours of sleep the last few nights. You haven't slept for a while. He doesn't sleep that good. And we're dog sitting. It's a pain in the butt, so we realized we don't want to get a dog. And the only thing that keeps us going is this right here. It's our Nespresso machine. And here's like the little frother where you put the milk in. But anyways, you just put these little capsules in, and these are espresso shots, and they keep us living.
Teddy,
Okay, come on.
are you coming?
Yeah.
Yay!
So how was your day at school?
Teddy, when Teddy's head was down, first thing he kind of like, yeah.
Did you have a good day at school? You did?
Uh-huh.
What'd you do?
Nothing. This was actually being a real big brother today. Remember what that says? Those people that look like you have no friends. Yeah.
It's because they don't like themselves.
Yeah. When people are mean.
Yeah. What is that on your shirt? Hashtag yourself.
It's rain. So me and Lily are walking the dog in the rain.
Yeah.
Did you have a good day today, Jonesy?
Mm-hmm.
What did you do at school?
I smell ham. And it smells like bacon. Come here. Hey.
He's been a bad boy. He's peed all over.
He's peed, he's pooed, he's thrown up. Not happy about that.
He's not happy about that. Oh yeah, you guys have to see this.
Yeah, he chewed up the chair.
So we come back from work and we find our whole entire chair chewed up. So as we eat grilled cheese, Dad's over here eating
Chicken and broccoli.
chicken and broccoli.
Where are you going? Look at me. Oh. Jonesy, look at me. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Look at me. What are you doing?
The worm is.
Are you gonna eat it?
No.
You're not gonna eat a worm?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Jonesy?
I like worms. Did I?
Did you catch a worm?
It's my favorite. He's my best friend.
You stole her bike?
No, I love him.
Hey Jones, come on. Rainy day walk at the park. What's your name? Daddy. The cutest little daddy around. We are at the park with the kids. I get so nervous when I talk on this thing. Like my eyes are getting watery right now. It's raining!